Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of a brand new 2019 Chevy Colorado ZR2 Dusk Special Edition. This Colorado comes with a 3.6 liter V6 engine, your off-road light kit, custom black Chevy bow ties, and 17 by 8-inch aluminum wheels. Now you can see we have our assist steps as we get into the vehicle. We have our jet black premium leather seating with a white lining throughout the entire vehicle. When it comes to the front, we have our Chevy MyLink radio, our heated seating on both sides, a spot for you to charge your phone, push to talk, a heated steering wheel, and your standard cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. Hope you guys have a great day.